In this video I will show you how to quickly reach 1,000 subscribers. Let's do it. First, enter the Play Store and search for this software and download and install it. Then enter the software with the Gmail. You are now logged in. In this section, you can receive coins for watching other people's videos and increase your channel subscribers with your coins. Let's go for a test. You have now received the coins. In this section, in addition to watching other people's videos, you must also subscribe to their channel and collect coins. Let's go for a test. You have now received the coins. From this section, you can increase your subscribers, likes and channel views. Just enter your video link. In this section, you can specify the amount of subscribers you need and also specify that those subscribers will see a few seconds of your video. We are done now. Wait for subscribers.